Hello Europe, this is David calling from Canada. Today's topic is Ukraine in Eurovision 2021. So I'm very excited for this year because last year Go-A won for Ukraine and they were my absolute favorite song of last year's. They're so talented, so again this year Go-A will be representing the Ukraine and the song is called Shum. So I am super excited for this. I haven't listened to it yet. So yeah, I'll be doing a review and a reaction to this song. So let's get started. Some people hate those vocals. I love it. Ooh. Oh, I like this. Very COVID-friendly video. Ooh. It's just as cool as last year's. Wonder if she'll be able to hit that on the night. Oh, I like the Australian sound. Jibberdy-doo or whatever it's called. You instantly want to dance to this song. A lot dancier than last year. I'd definitely be the guy that's dancing in the group. I love how they always put so many different instruments into one song, so many different genres. Oh, I love that. Oh yeah, I love how fast it's playing. Woohoo, yes. Wow. Wow, that was awesome. Awesome. So as most people know on my channel, Ukraine is one of my favorite. Yes, they are actually my favorite Eurovision country. So I've had them numerous times at number 1 back in 2006. Tina Karol is probably the most talented singer I have ever heard. So she keeps getting better and better and better. Then my other number 1s was 2007, 2008, and then I've had so many other ones that were in my top 3 throughout the 2010s. So, what did I give this song out of 10? I gave this song a 10 out of 10. I absolutely loved it. Loved it. They're such a talented group. So Go A is either you love them or you hate them type music. Some people think she's screaming, but I think it's so talented. It is so cultural sounding, but she brings so many different genres. So it's not just her, it's her whole group. They bring so many different genres to the songs, and that is so talented. So I hope they do really well in Eurovision. I thought they could have been in the top 5 at least last year. I think this song will get to the finals, and I think it will be in the top 10 at least. So what did you think of this song? How well do you think you'll do it in Eurovision? Do you think you'll get past the semifinals and into the finals? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you liked my video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.